Good morning. Here's the first YouTube video ever. So I'm super excited for this video. I wanted to share with you guys this cool little tip that I like to do with my videos whenever I'm editing sometimes. It's a fun, cool way to edit all your B-roll footage. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into Premiere Pro and we're going to dive in and get started. Alright, so we're already in Premiere Pro, and so we already have our music track. Okay, first thing that we need to do is we need to go through all of our clips and add our ins and outs. So adding an end mark is where you want the video to start playing, and then adding an out mark is where you want the video to stop playing to go to the next clip. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to play our sequence with the music. So anytime we want to add in a cut, we're going to press the M key on our keyboard. Alright, and then this is what it looks like on our timeline by adding in these markers. Okay, and so now what we're going to do is we're going to select all of our clips. And then we're going to go up to Clip, Automate Sequence, and then make sure you have these settings. And then press OK. Alright, and then this is what our video looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and then I'll see you at the next video.